Hi everyone, my name is Anna and this is my second mini math lesson. I am going to share my screen with you so I can get started. Okay, so for this lesson, it is number lines for kindergarten. The content standards and learning objectives. The first one is use a number line to subtract by counting on. The second is use a number line to subtract by counting back. Choose whether to count on or back to solve an equation. And solve word problems by using a number line to add or subtract. A few of the math standard practices are relate counting to addition and subtraction, add and subtract within 20, demonstrating fluency for addition and subtraction within 10. And the last one is determine the unknown whole number in addition or subtraction equation relating three whole numbers. And for example, that would be 8 plus blank equals 11. Some of the advancing questions that I have would be, can you explain to me how you solved the problem? How do you know this is the correct answer? Is there any other way to get that answer? And can you show me? All right, so this is what I have. The students would get into groups and each group would get a lily pad number line. And the number line is from 1 to 10. They would also get these little paper frogs. There'd be more than one, obviously, but that's just one that they would use. And they would also get a worksheet with some addition problems. This is count to add. And so the questions are 3 plus 1, 6 plus 1, pretty simple. And they would work together with their group using their lily pads and their frogs to get the answers. And then they would write the answers on their sheet. I also have lily pads printed out that they could use and put on the floor, and they could actually be frogs themselves and jump from one lily pad to another to get answers. And let's see, some homework and practice for the students to for their own. Each student would go home with a popsicle stick, a frog cutout, a frog subtraction worksheet, and a jump frog subtraction number line. And so this is what I have for that. So each student would be able to go home and make their own frogs and lily pads to practice at home. All right, and that is it. Thank you.